This is what I consider to be a luxurious home. Right behind me is a 4-bedroom terrace located in the heart of Lekki Phase 1 for your convenience. Now, this estate has all that you need in an estate, and it is selling for just 250 million naira. Now, come with me as I show you around this house if it's worth 250 million, and you tell me if it's worth it. Let's go. Okay, this is the 250 million naira home at the heart of Lekki. Come on, let me show you inside. Now, as you can see, it has a wonderful finishing. This is the moderately sized living room. As you can see, the lights, you can increase and decrease as much as you want. Now, this is the guest toilet, your washing hand basin. To see your visitors can use this as they come in. Let me show you the wonderful kitchen space right here. Now, this is a moderately sized kitchen. As you can see, it comes fully fitted with the burner, the heat extractor so that it's not as hot, the microwave and oven, and a lot of cabinet space for you to store all it, all the food stuff, both up and down. You have spaces everywhere. You can see, and the washing hand basin, very luxurious finishing. Now, just behind here is the BQ for your driver or house help to stay in, and they can also have access to the house at any point in time. And this space, you can also store more things as much as you want. Now, let's go up the stairs. Now, on the first floor, we have 2 bedrooms, and one is for the kids, and the other is also a master's bedroom. Yes. So, this is the first master's bedroom. As you can see, it's big enough and a lot of wardrobe space for all your clothes, your shoes, and a nice big mirror here for you to look at yourself and say your daily affirmations before you go to work. Now, this is the bathroom. Yeah, the shower head is working perfectly, the washing hand basin, and the toilet. Let's go to the next room. Now, for this room, you can either use it as a guest room if you have guests, or a kids room. You can see the wardrobe space and also a good bathroom. It comes with a water heater, the shower head, and a lavatory. Also, it has a very cool um, balcony space. You can watch your cars, your lovely 5 cars that you parked down here for your convenience. And now we're going to the top floor. Yes. Now, let me go to the sorry. This is the top floor. Is also similar to the room downstairs. Enough space and a wardrobe for your kids, and also a bathroom with heater and a toilet. And also, it has a beautifully spaced balcony for you to relax, sit down, read a book, and do whatever you want to do. Yes. And finally, this is the last master bedroom. Now, here you see we have a very massive wardrobe space for your clothes, your shoes, your documents, a lot of space for all you need to preserve. and same toilet as the others with your heater and a cool shower, tempered glass. And finally, a balcony for you. Now, is this place worth 250 million naira? Send Ritomaya a message to know more about his estate. Thank you.